So today I'm going to show you how to manage the Module 5 exam via Colibri from the Instructor Portal. So the first step is to click on the Module 5 exam. And from here, you will see all the student detail. You also have the signature section. Most of the school want to use it at the beginning. So if you decide to request your student to sign, you will click on signature in order to allow them to do the signature via their portal. And for the exam, allow you to see if the student have signed the integrity declaration. You can also see if the student has not completed the lesson necessary for the exam. So if by mistake a student is scheduled for the Module 5 but did not do the Module 4, the system will not let them do the exam. Once a student have completed the integrity declaration form, you will see a button appear here and you will have to click on it to allow the student to start the exam.